everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will be discussing about the wins and losses in Odoo 18 CRM. Odoo CRM system is designed to help business manage their sales pipeline effectively and track the wins and losses, and that is one of the important part of the process. So let's see how can we manage the wins and losses in CRM. And Odoo CRM utilizes a pipeline structure to visualize and manage sales opportunities, and this allows users to track the progress of each deal through various stages. So here you can see different stages like new, qualified, propositions, and won. So there are different ways in which we can just manage with the wins in Odoo. So by simply dragging and dropping from the proposition stage or from any other stage into one stage, we can see that this is a potential customer and we have just won with the customer because they have made an interest and finally they have converted into an opportunity. Finally, they have made the payment or they are just agreed to go with the service or work. Okay, and that will be moving into the one stage. And as I just open this, here you can see that we will be getting a ribbon over here. Now there are different ways in which we can also just consider uh, a, a lead from a particular stage is moving to a one stage. So you can simply just go to the stages over here and you can switch into one, and this shows how we can just switch to one stage. And as you just do the one stage here, you can see the probability over here. Now the other way in which you can just manage with the one stage is that we can find a button called one. So currently you can see the stage is proposition, and as we are just clicking on one stage, this would generate a ribbon over here. From this we can conclude that we can just manage with the one stage. So we can say that when a sales opportunity is successfully closed, users can make it as one, and this we should update the system and contribute to the sales performance tracking. Likewise, we can also manage the losses, which means if a deal is lost, users can mark it as lost. And Odoo allows users to specify the lost reason, which provides a valuable insight into why deals are not closed. So in order to manage with that, you can move on to the configuration and choose lost reason, and you can find all the lost reasons that is generated. If you want to create a new lost reason, simply click on new button. This adds a line and you can add the lost reason over here. Now let's move on to the sales pipeline, and under here you can see we are just going to set one of the deal as lost because things may not be going as planned, and sometimes the work may not be satisfied by the client and all. In such situations, they will be maybe just removing from the service, or they may be stopping their services. So this will be stopping or losing. So I mean they may not be treated as a future they may not be treated as a potential customer in the future. So we will be setting it as lost. So by clicking on lost button, you can see we will be getting a window. We have to provide the lost reason. Sometimes it may be due to too expensive, and we can just provide the note over here like closing note, kindly reduce the price. And click on mark as done. So here you can see the lost reason. So as you just move on to the lost, here you can see the probability simply turned into 0. So Odoo CRM provides the way to get the reports, or by having the informations of the wins and losses, a company can improve their sales strategies. So I hope this video clarifies how to manage with the wins and losses in Odoo 18 CRM. And if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.